ChatGPT is artificial intelligence-based advanced chatbot released in 2022 November. Currently, more than 1 million users are there using this great tool, but 99% of people don't know how to use it effectively. In this video I am going to show you how you can transform your daily workflow using this incredible tool. Before beginning, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to see our videos without missing them. If you want to create a Facebook post to become more viral, you can feed the text you want to be rewritten, and ask the chatbot to maximize the chance of going it viral. Check this one. If you want to do a task with some constraints, the chatbot can come up with creative solutions and examples. Imagine that you need to write a blog post with some constraints. Check this out. If you need a title for your article, blog post or book, you can ask this chatbot to generate a killing topic for you. Check this out. You can generate examples to illustrate a point or concept using this powerful chatbot. For example, if you need to generate 2 unique examples to illustrate the concept of digital marketing, you can do it using this. Check this one. Another thing I love most about this tool is, we can generate questions related to any topic we want. Check this out. See, this tool is blowing our heads, isn't it? Another great use case of this is it can brainstorm on a topic that we provide. Check this one. How wonderful it is. Again, we can use this to compare and contrast ideas between 2 different scenarios. For example, let us compare and contrast the advantages and disadvantages of using artificial intelligence in education versus traditional education techniques. This is a killing tool, isn't it? Another way to use this is to create a story about anything we need. Check this out. I love this tool, man. Another usage of this is we can simply generate emails to be sent. Check this out. Don't you love this? This is a blasting tool. Finally, this great tool can explain complex concepts to us. Let's see how it's going to explain the concept of the Big Bang Theory. You see, it is doing a great job. Hope you all have got a clear idea about how useful this tool to transform our day-to-day tasks. If you haven't tried this, the link is provided in the description. Try it out. Hope you have enjoyed this video and stay with us for more interesting videos like this.